Not a fan of Trump, but him being convicted of this is stupid because even if he actually did what the prosecutors accused him of, I mean the actual acts, the criminality of it isn't there. What he's accused of is letting his lawyer pay for NDAs to people that would hurt his reputation. Some of them may even be true, like him having a relationship with Stormy Daniels. And those NDAs using vague language and or trying to cover up those payments from money he's legally allowed to his lawyer for these people to shut up and go away with accusations that can hurt his public image. What they're saying is they are campaign contributions because his reputation would help him get elected, except for they're not. Buildings used for the campaign, travel expenses for the candidate and other stuff. Paying people to work on the campaign. That kind of things all come from campaign finances. Paying a woman you had an affair with to shut up and go away, even if true, is not a campaign expense, regardless if it hurts your chances of getting elected. On top of that, even using shell companies for things you're legally allowed to do is acceptable. None of these cover-ups are illegal cover-ups. But supposedly the judge said that Trump could not bring information of his innocence about the campaign finance stuff because he wasn't accused of a campaign finance violation, even though the reason that they were allowed to bring charges about mislabeling business documents that is supposed to be misdemeanors was in furtherance of the felony, and the felony was campaign finance stuff, or at least one theory of it. On top of that, a jury instruction that seemed rather weird was that the jury did not have to agree on what felony the documents were in furtherance of. The mislabeling of documents was in furtherance. They didn't have to agree on what felony that was, just that a felony of some kind existed. Except if you can only charge a misdemeanor that's a certain amount of years old that should no longer be available because of statute of limitations based off of a felony. Constitutionally speaking, it seems odd that you don't have to actually prove the felony in question. That you don't have to be convicted of the felony for the misdemeanors to be elevated to a felony that can only be elevated to a felony based off of them being in furtherance of a separate felony. This is baloney. Now, you want to talk again of mishandling top secret information? The fact that other politicians apparently do it doesn't mean it's acceptable. Doesn't mean we should like it. Either the information being mishandled shouldn't be top secret, or they should be held accountable when they mishandle it. But two wrongs don't make a right. So on that one, maybe we can talk about it. But again, this is the same court system that apparently you can't be they can't get enough evidence to convict you of a crime, but claiming you're innocent and accusing somebody of ill intent when accusing you of something that they can't even prove you did is slander. So I actually think a lot of these accusations against a man who's a slimeball and probably has done stuff slimy enough to belong in jail seem to have legal theories that are, and legal consequences that seem more vindictive than based off the evidence.